Alright, wow, my hair was terrible. Okay. Anyways, aside from my horrible hair disaster and me looking like complete crap, which, excuse me for not having like any videos last week. I have been sick with a cold all week, and then when I get sick, my asthma plays like havoc on me. I mean, it's so bad. I literally have my inhaler sitting on my desk right next to me because, yeah. And I can't really hear out of my ears all that well either. So, bear with me. Alright, so we are going to do an Ipsy unboxing, whatever the heck you want to call it. So this is for the month of September. This is the bag, which is pretty darn cute. And I'm going to go ahead and take out all of the contents and then show you guys one by one. If need be, I will swatch things on my daughter and have her come over to you. So as you guys can also see, I have my lovely little black dead tree back. She needs a little help. And hopefully I can get another one since it's Halloween time, so. Anyway. But yeah, I'm sorry like if you can hear me wheeze or like I'm not like all bubbly or anything. I'm still like kind of on the mend. So anyways, so first things first is from Mark Anthony. It's Bye Bye Frizz Damaged Hair Miracle Treatment. And this is actually a pretty good sized jar. Let's see if I can. What I find really interesting too is like, look for Mark Anthony products at Walmart. Literally
at Walmart. We were just at Walmart. Oh, whoa. It exploded.
If you get this in your stuff, be careful opening it. Like, quite literally, I just opened this.
It exploded.
And like, it's like sitting like right there. So yeah. Obviously, I'm not gonna sit here and try this right now. But I love like leave-in hair treatments because I color my hair all the time.
Yeah.
And it's never normal colors. I literally color my hair purple or blue.
You do need to do your hair red. I've seen the photo.
I need to do my hair red?
Yeah.
Maybe one day. Alright, so from Hims, we have the triple moisturizer. I was really hoping to get this, so I am really, really, really excited.
Didn't you get another version of
Yeah,
that?
I got.
And you've been using it.
I got the mango pineapple, I think it was, last month, which I absolutely love. It's like literally like down to here. So this one, it'll be gone before you know it. So this is an all-day moisturizer. I cannot talk. It's an all-day moisturizer. So
that's cool.
A little bit for you, a little bit for me. I love hemp products. Like if you've never actually tried them before, they are like awesome. And I'm somebody that has super dry skin. She has really dry skin. Not as dry as mine, but
my lips get super dry. They've been dry so much.
Yeah.
That smells so good.
Yeah, this does smell.
I can smell it for ages.
I'm not sure what it smells like though. I don't know. But this stuff, awesome. Totally, totally recommend.
It smells like coconuts to me.
Yeah, kind of, huh?
It smells like coconuts. I love
Alright. And then from Elizabeth Mott, it's a mattifying face primer. Now, I don't usually use mattifying products because of my dry skin. I prefer like the dewy look, which is really hard for me to come by. But we're gonna try this bad boy anyway. Obviously not right now. And then, I don't know how to pronounce this. Hanalei? Matte bronzer. Okay, I love matte products. So this is, OMG. My camera is like far away. I don't know, let's see. Come here, Rennie. Ooh, it's nice.
That feels really good.
that blends into your skin.
That's
Anyways, yeah, this is like super creepy. It literally blends into
She
your skin.
swatched it and it doesn't even appear.
Alright. And next, this is like the second or third month in a row I've gotten a brush. So I'm kind of excited. So from Luxie, I got the detailed tapered blender brush. And it's like everything. Isn't that cool? Super, super nice. Yeah, this is a nice brush. So that's gonna do it for my Ipsy products this month. Like I said, super cute bag. And I pretty much got things I will use. So, yeah, not bad. I'm trying to upgrade to the Ipsy Plus. I'm still on the waiting list. So, I don't know. We'll see. Also, I want to say that I will be getting another subscription box. However, it's not going to be makeup related. I will be getting either like a crystal box or like a pagan type box. So, yeah, we'll see which one I decide on. But you will be seeing that within the coming months, as soon as I decide to, like pretty much which one I want. So, yeah, I know it's a little different from my channel, but I am a big crystal collector and also very much into like paganism. So, yeah, and that's it. All right, so I think that's gonna do it, and yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you. Kill it.